All right, we're going to find the area of this trapezoid. Sorry, I can't make that part go away. Ooh, there it goes. The area of a trapezoid. So in order to find the area of the trapezoid, the formula is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 and then multiplied by the height. So here I have base 1 is going to be 8 yards, base 2 is 11 yards. We'll divide that by 2, and that's going to be multiplied the height, which is 6 yards. 8 yards plus 11 yards is going to be 9 yards divided by 2, again, times the 6 yards. I can go ahead and multiply 19 times 6. I'll do that over here. Is going to be, that's a 54, carry the 5. That's 114 yards squared, and then I'm going to divide that by 2. 114 divided by 2 is going to be, 2 goes into 11 5 times. That's 10, subtract, get a 1, bring down the 4. 2 goes into 14 7 times, and that is exact. So that is going to be 57 yards squared is the area of that trapezoid.